Hellcat OEM CatBack and American Racing long tube headers.
Nice. That's not bad, bro.
Yo, man, don't leave it idling, man. You don't want the fix.
That's crazy. What year is this thing, man? It's great.
2012.
2012?
Yeah.
Where'd you find it?
I bought it in 13. Fucking an old guy owned it. It had like,
Right?
had like 10,000 kilometers.
Technically, they're like discontinued or something. They only sell it in like Australia or something. Dude, fucking sick, man. That's so sick.
I've tracked it before. I did the heads and cam and before the stall converter. It did like 12.4.
What do you think it'll use? 12.4.
12.4, 114. It should do like 11.9 around 118 now. I think, or 12.0 at like 118.
Damn.
490 wheel, 447 torque.
Goddamn.